In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template using Canva in just 5 minutes. First, head over to canva.com. If you already have an account, you'll want to sign in. Look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. It's quite straightforward. You can log in using your Google account, through Facebook, or of course with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to Canva's extensive and versatile editing tools. Now that you're inside Canva, it's time to navigate to the template you wish to edit. It should be in your dashboard, or you can search for it among Canva's rich collection of templates. Once you've found the right one, click the Use Template button. This action will open the template right in Canva's user-friendly editor, ready for you to start making it your own. Next, if the template contains images that you want to swap out, select the image you wish to update. You can choose a new image from Canva's impressive library, filled with free resources, or upload an image of your own for a personal touch. If you're looking to change the aesthetic of your template, the Styles feature is a powerful tool. With it, you can alter all the colors used in your design at once. Alternatively, if you have a particular vision, select individual design elements and customize their colors to better fit your theme. Don't hesitate to fine-tune the layout, move elements around and resize them if needed. Canva's drag and drop interface makes these adjustments smooth and efficient. Furthermore, if your project requires additional pages or perhaps fewer, you can easily add or remove pages when working with a multi-page template. This functionality ensures your final product perfectly aligns with your vision. Once you've completed all the changes to your liking, remember to save your design to your Canva account. Doing so ensures you won't lose any of your hard work, and you can come back to it any time for future edits. Finally, Canva provides options to share your design with others or download it. You can choose from various formats such as PDF, PNG or JPEG, depending on how you plan to use your design. Whether you're sharing digitally or printing, Canva has the flexibility to accommodate your needs. By following these steps, you've transformed a standard template into a personalized design ready for any occasion. Whether you're creating for yourself or collaborating with others, Canva provides the tools to bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Happy designing!